I don't want to say we got a lot of snow, but we got a lot of snow. I've been out here since 11 o'clock and now it's 5:20 and I've just finished up shoveling, snow blowing. Ridiculous. 15 inches was the lowest spot I could find on my property. There were drifts of 20 to 30 inches around the house, and the highest was up against the garage door at around 35 inches. I walk alone, I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk up. My shadow's only one that walks beside me. My shallow heart's the only thing that's beating. Sometimes I wish someone up there will find me. Till then I walk alone. I'm walking down the line that divides me somewhere in my mind, on the borderline of the edge and where I walk alone. Read between the lines what's fucked up and everything's alright. Check my vital signs and know I'm still alive, and I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk up. My shadow's only one that walks beside me. My shallow heart's the only thing that's beating. Sometimes I wish someone up there will find me. Till then I walk alone. All Long Island highways are closed to all vehicles except for emergency vehicles until further notice. I walk alone, I walk alone. Oh my goodness, I have broken my ass. On the boulevard of broken dreams, where the city sleeps and I'm the only one, and I walk